Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring both the RDP client and target server are fully patched. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, sign in with local administrator rights and create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the specific Credssp update KB on both systems and install it. Make sure Windows Update shows no pending reboots. After rebooting, verify both machines report the same Credssp update level so the negotiation can proceed. You now change the Credssp enforcement so client and server agree on authentication. Open Group Policy Editor, or, if unavailable, edit hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows /current version /policies /system /Credssp /parameters. Once there, set encryption Oracle remediation to mitigate it. If using registry, create allow encryption Oracle as dword with value 2. Make sure you apply the policy immediately or run gpupdate/force. After that, restart the remote desktop services or reboot the machines to load the new setting and allow a secure handshake. You finish by testing an RDP session. Try connecting and observe the exact error message. If it still fails, open Event Viewer and inspect Credssp and security logs for authentication failures so you know whether the client or server refused the upgrade. Make sure both systems show the same patch KB and the same encryption Oracle remediation setting. If things go wrong, revert to your registry backup or restore the system restore point. Then reapply updates in the proper order before repeating the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.